Buying phone on Verizon is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy phones on Verizon. So for that we will go to the Verizon's website. I'm going to type in Verizon and I will go to this website. Now here you just need to select the phone that you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy this iPhone 14 Pro. I'm just going to click on that. It will take me to this page. Now here you need to select the color of the phone that you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy this space black. After that you have to select the size or space or storage. So I'm just going to select on 128 GB and then I have to click on this if I'm a new customer or I'm an existing customer. If you are a new customer, you need to select this new customer. If you are an existing customer, you need to select this existing customer, and there you will be able to see the payment options. So you just need to select any of the payment option that is suitable for you. After that, they will want you to add your delivery address and your checkout information. In the checkout information, you need to add any of the payment method according to your choice, and the payment for this product will be deducted from your payment options. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can buy phones on Verizon. Hope you guys find this video helpful.